जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Now I invite the dignitaries on the dais to move and have the lamp lighting.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ।
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Thank you all. Now I invite our MD and CEO, Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, for the welcome address. Sir.
Shri Habil Khorakiwala, Chairman Wockhardt, Shri Huzefa Khorakiwala, ED Wockhardt, Shri Murtaza Khorakiwala, MD Wockhardt, board members, management, employees, family members and investors of Wockhardt, members of the media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you. I wholeheartedly congratulate everyone at Wockhardt on 25 glorious years of being listed on the National Stock Exchange. 25 years ago, Wockhardt took a bold step by becoming a publicly listed company, opening its doors to thousands of new investors and stepping onto a larger platform of growth, transparency, and stakeholder accountability. It was not just a financial milestone, but a strategic move that set the foundation for the global pharmaceutical and biotechnology powerhouse that Wockhardt has become today. Over the past 25 years, Wockhardt's presence on NSE has paralleled India's growth. During this period, India's economy has transitioned to becoming one of the fastest growing major economies globally. The country's GDP has increased several times, infrastructure has evolved, and India has gained prominence in several sectors, including a prime position in pharmaceuticals. Wockhardt has also been our neighbor. With your headquarters located just next door, you have always shared more than just proximity. You have shared a commitment to innovation and to creating values for others. For us at NSE, it is incredibly fulfilling to witness how the capital markets have supported Wockhardt's journey from raising capital to enabling long-term value creation. Our partnership over this 25 years has been stronger, and I am confident that the next 25 years will bring even greater achievements. Wockhart's 25 years of listing coincides with NSE completing 30 years of operations. In the past 3 decades, NSE has had a remarkable journey of enabling a fair, efficient, and transparent capital market and being a catalyst to the growth story of India through fund mobilization, economic growth, capital formation, wealth creation, and job creation. Market capitalization of listed companies on NSE has grown about 120 times in 30 years, which stands at about 443 lakh crore or US $5.2 trillion, and Wockhardt is an integral part of this progress. NSE has over 11.5 crore registered unique investors, spanning 99.9% of PIN codes in India. Today's celebrations is not just about the past 25 years, it is about the promise of the next 25, next 50, and next 100. Today also happens to be June 5th, the World Environment Day. I am confident that the company will continue to lead the way in shaping the future of global healthcare with a commitment to healthier and more sustainable future. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the leadership, the employees, the investors, and everyone who has been part of this incredible journey. May Wockhardt continue to grow, innovate, and inspire as we at NSE continue to stand by you in your journey forward. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite Ashish to felicitate Dr. Habib Khorakiwala, Chairman Wockhardt. Now I'll request MD to felicitate Dr. Huzafia Khorakiwala, ED Wockhardt. I'll request him to felicitate Dr. Murtaza Khorakiwala, MD Wockhardt. Thank you. I now request Dr. Murtaza Khorakiwala, MD Wockhardt, to address us.
Respected Chairman of Wockhardt, Dr. Habib Khorakiwala, Managing Director and CEO of NSE, Mr. Ashish Chauhan, dignitaries on the dais, and my dear friends. A very good morning to all of you over here. It's an honor to be here at the National Stock Exchange of India to celebrate a remarkable milestone, 25 years of our company being listed on the NSE. A journey that began with a vision to be the most admired healthcare company has today brought us to a defining moment, one of reflection, pride, and purpose. Listing on the NSE 25 years ago marked the beginning of our commitment to transparency, performance, and accountability to our investors and the public. Since then, we've weathered cycles, embraced change, and continuously evolved. This milestone is a testament to our resilience, our values, and above all, the people who build this company brick by brick. I want to express my deepest gratitude to our shareholders, many of whom have steadily supported us through this journey. To our employees, our scientific community, our business partners, and the board, thank you for your trust, commitment, and belief in our vision. And to the NSE, thank you for being the platform where innovation finds global credibility. From our roots as a domestic pharmaceutical manufacturer, we've grown into a global international company with more than 70% of our revenue outside India. We've delivered on therapies that have touched millions of lives across anti-infectives, diabetes, hospital, and critical care, and we've built a reputation of scientific rigor, quality, and patient focus. Now, as we look into the future, our ambition is clear: to emerge as a global leader in novel antibiotics, helping combat antimicrobial resistance, due to which 5 million people die every year, and being a leader in biosimilar insulins, making high-quality, affordable medicines for 500 million diabetics in the world. These are not just business goals, they are a mission aligned with the global health priorities, and we are proud to be at the forefront. The bell we ring today is not just for a celebration, it is a signal of our aspirations and dreams for the future, to make a difference in the world and to ensure life wins. The next 25 years will demand even more courage, innovation, and agility, and we are prepared. On behalf of our entire team, thank you for standing with us. The journey continues stronger, faster, and with greater purpose. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Dr. Murtaza, for that speech, and all the best for the next 25 years. Now we will watch a quick film by Wockhardt that they've prepared specially for this occasion.
Curiosity, humankind's greatest attribute and its greatest superpower. It helps people discover things no one else knows about. Takes them to places we never thought possible. Teaches them about the world they live in. Curiosity makes people human. Knows no age. And propels mankind forward. One person's curiosity helped us discover gravity. Another person's curiosity led to the invention of the telephone. A third person's curiosity helped invent the computer and the internet. But what if curiosity had a higher purpose? What if it could save millions of lives? 25 years back, a team of scientists led by Chairman Dr. Habil Khorakiwala got together and put all their passion, focus and commitment on a global health challenge: antimicrobial resistance. Antimicrobial resistance costs 5 million lives annually. Jim O'Neill, the famous British economist, has theorized that this number could increase to 10 million a year by 2050, and multiple times that the number of hospitalizations. Team Wockhardt filled the breach left by the world's top pharma companies. They scaled up their internal competencies and invested $500 million over 25 years, created a culture of research and innovation, and made it India's first and the world's most innovative company in the antibiotic space. Research is just formalized curiosity. So, Team Wockhardt joined the dots and discovered gaps in the global pipeline of drugs. They conducted research programs tailored towards various community needs. The spirit of curiosity sparked a huge interest amongst the infectious diseases scientific community. Eminent experts, universities, think tanks and global opinion leaders went out of their way to partner Wockhardt. And because the drug development was de-risked from a very early stage, they didn't face a single failure at the clinical trials. The work was featured in more than 200 top-rated international publications and conferences globally. Curiosity and research leads to new knowledge. So Team Wockhardt developed a burst of 6 new drugs, 6 new NCEs meeting the US FDA and WHO unmet needs criteria. The leading one is Zenic, the others being Micnaf, Mroc, Mroc-O, Forviscu and Odrate. Zenic is a one-of-its-kind antibiotic discovered in the last 100 years. It's been designed to fight the major superbugs in the world and prevent as many deaths as possible happening due to antimicrobial resistance. Zenic has already saved more than 35 critically ill patients in India and the US under compassionate grounds when all other treatment options had failed. Curiosity is a never-ending journey, and Wockhardt is here to enable it. For you, for life. Wockhardt. Life wins.
Hello, yeah. Now we move on to the felicitation by Dr. Murtaza Khorakiwala to Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO NSE. Now I would request Dr. Huzaifa Khorakiwala to facilitate Mr. Shyam Krishnan, CBDO NSE. Thank you, sir. And now finally, we come to the bell ringing ceremony, the 25 years of listing celebration that we are here for. I would invite everyone on the stage to come to the bell ringing ceremony as well as the families. So please come for the bell ringing ceremony. And ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for this big moment for us. we start with the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we will move to the vote of thanks. We'll put on the chairs back. So I request the ladies to have a seat at the podium. And post the vote of thanks, we will go for the symbolic. I now invite Mr. Shriram Krishnan, CBDO NSE, for the vote of thanks.
Respected Dr. Habil Kurakiwala, Chairman Wockhardt, Dr. Murtaza Kurakiwala, MD Wockhardt, Dr. Huzaifa Kurakiwala, ED Wockhardt, our dear MD Ashish Chauhan, and all the colleagues from Wockhardt who are assembled here. It's indeed a great day for us, a very memorable occasion. We are very proud to have a company like Wockhardt listed on the National Stock Exchange. I want to take a moment to express personally my gratitude to Wockhardt Hospitals, because that's where I took my own COVID vaccines. And I'm sure so many people across the country, have the same feeling of gratitude for the relentless service during that particular testing time that we all went through. I think any hospital is a source of inspiration for most people because of the selfless service that medical professionals deliver day in and day out to the society. The cause of humanitarian assistance is the biggest cause in this world, and one that always deserves appreciation and encouragement and support. We are proud of Wockhardt Hospitals for the fantastic achievements over the last 25 years, and we look forward to the next 25 years of glory and success for mankind. And I want to certainly, take this opportunity to thank the senior management team from Wockhardt who have graced this occasion and chosen to celebrate with the team at NSE. I want to thank all of you for being present here on this memorable occasion. I'm sure we will reassemble again to celebrate yet another milestone very soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We will have the investor meet at the atrium itself in about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll go and have the symbolic bull photograph with the team. And if you want any refreshments till that time, they are open. Who's time?